Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice door assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs on the bottom to release the dispenser user interface assembly. Disconnect the 3 wire connectors to fully release the assembly. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the ice door assembly to the housing. Unhook the wires from the retaining clip. Release the dispenser water line from the assembly. Disconnect the ice door motor wire connector. Release the tabs on the left and right sides, and you can pull the old assembly out. Depress the tabs to release the ice chute. Prepare the new ice door assembly for installation by first snapping the ice chute into position. Keeping the wires and water line in front of the ice door assembly, position the assembly in the housing and snap it into place. Thread the screws to secure. Connect the motor wire connector and hook the wires behind the retaining clip. Snap the dispenser water line into place. Reinstall the user interface assembly by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Insert the upper tabs into the slots in the housing and snap the assembly into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.